Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda. You have stumbled upon Love All Beauty. For today's video, I thought it would be nice if we just do a very classic, clean, dramatic look, and that's a nice wing liner with a nice bold, bright red lip. Love this type of look. I don't wear it enough, but that's okay. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. If that sounds like something you are interested in seeing, then just keep watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done that. You can also ring the notification bell. That way you're notified every time that I upload a video. You can follow me on social media, Instagram and Twitter. I believe that is everything. So if you want to see how I get this face, then just keep watching. All right, let's jump right into it. So I already prepped my eyelids. I'm not going to be wearing any eyeshadow today because I just want to focus on the eyeliner. But I do have some discoloration with my eyelids, a lot of veining and just uneven skin tone. So I wanted to just kind of have a nice blank canvas. So I applied a little bit of concealer and then I went over that with just a very neutral eyeshadow shade, just kind of to act as a powder to set that concealer down so it doesn't slip and crease and all that jazz. So basically it just kind of blends into my regular skin tone a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with doing the eyeliner before I do my face makeup. That way, I mean, let's be honest here, people. Eyeliner is, to me, one of the most difficult things to master because I feel like every time I apply my eyeliner, it's different every single time. You know, the goal obviously is to have the eyeliner be symmetrical on both sides, but that just never really happens unless you're having an amazing eyeliner day. So we're putting it out into the universe that we're going to have a very lovely eyeliner day. So let's hope for the best. And if not, that's all right too. You know, like I said, we have our good and our bad days. So it's all good. It can be removed and redone again. Well, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the eyeliner pen that I've been using most lately, which is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster. This is a waterproof formula and it is like a dark, deep black shade. I will try to put everything that I'm using today just kind of up in the corner for you guys to see, and also down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and move you all in here. Now, for me, the easiest way to apply liner is to kind of tug on the corner of my eye. I have deep set eyes. Sometimes it's just harder for me to see that wing, so I do like to kind of pull on the skin a little bit. I mean, oh, that causes wrinkles or, you know, whatever, but, you know, I'm gonna get wrinkles all over my freaking face as I age anyway. I like to hold, I can't really talk while I'm doing my eyeliner, but I'm just gonna kind of tell you what I'm doing here. So rather than go at the eye just straight on with the tip, I find that I have a little bit more control if when I'm going to just kind of first line the eye, just have it be kind of on its side like this. So you'll see me do that and we'll just kind of build on it from there. Right, so it's at this point you kind of have to decide for yourself what angle you're wanting to do your wing at. For the most part, people try to kind of go up towards the tail of their eyebrow. So a lot of times what I'll do is just kind of draw a line down here from the very corner of my eye, kind of to whatever angle, and then connect that tip kind of back to where I've already started, and then just fill it in from there. Because I kind of have deep set eyes, a lot of times if I put my line up too much towards the edge of my brow here. If I'm looking straight on, it almost looks like I kind of have a little bit of a swoop to my eyeliner, which is fine. But sometimes it's nice to just have that really like clean straight line. So I try to go out a little bit more of like a, I guess, an obtuse angle for wanting to get geometric in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of wing it here and you guys can see what I do here. The goal here, of course, is to make sure we get this as even as we possibly can on the other side using the same formula. Just kind of start out by lining the top portion of the eye here and then going out at an angle. I'm gonna quickly work on doing the rest of my face. I don't want this video to be like 10 hours long. I'm gonna go ahead and prime a little bit here. I'm just using the Mint Melt primer from E.L.F. Just making sure everything is nice and hydrated. And call it a day. You know what I mean? I'm going to be going in with the Lancôme Skin Feels Good. Just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand here, like I normally do. Spread it out on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation brush. Foundation sponge. Clearly not a brush. Blush and highlighter. Now, I don't want to have my cheeks stand out too much, and I really don't go in with a lot of contour or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply a more neutral blush. This is Essence the blush in the shade Blooming, and you'll see it on my skin. I mean, it's very like a light kind of pinky nude shade, and I'm gonna kind of apply it where I normally would, obviously, like blush in a bronzer situation. My Mercier Matte Baked Radiance powder, because it's not a very like out there highlighter. Just kind of adds a nice soft focus highlight, which I think for this look I'm not really wanting to go to, you know, disco ball highlighter. I mean, I love a good disco ball moment, but Now we're gonna go ahead and curl the eyelashes and put on some mascara. All of that fun stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of blush. I really love applying accent pieces because I feel like it really kind of helps draw the eye upward. And I find lashes much easier to work with if it's just a smaller piece. So I suggest that for you if you've, tried to wear strip lashes before and it hasn't really worked out for you and you hate, messing around with them. Just quite literally take your strip lash and just cut it up into like thirds or fourths and just work as if it's a puzzle and just apply each section to your eye. And it's much easier to handle because a lot of people just get really overwhelmed. They don't let the glue sit and get tacky, and then it just gets like, that's too much. So just try cutting it up in thirds or fourths, and I find that really helps the application go a lot smoother. Just a little tip from me to you. Gotta dry the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and start lining my lips. So we're gonna do a red today, and I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier lip pencil in the shade Crimson. Let me get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. I rarely wear red. I love the way it looks. I think it's so pretty. It's just, especially now with wearing masks, I feel like if I'm wearing red, then I'm gonna have to wear like a liquid lipstick or something, and sometimes those can be a little bit drying. They do have the staying power. They don't smear all over your face, and I feel like that's important with a red lip, because if I'm wearing a red lipstick and then I go to like eat something, inevitably I will end up with it on my chin, which isn't ideal. So I'm satisfied with that liner job. Sometimes I like to just fill in the lips with the liner because I feel like that really helps with the richness of the shade and also the longevity of the wear. I think I'm gonna go in with this Ciate lip that I have. It's this beautiful red called Hollywood, and what's fun about these is called Glitter Flip. So it's a red lip, but then once you've applied it to your lips and you smack them together, it activates the glitter that's within this lipstick. So hopefully I'll be able to show it to you guys so you can see it. But yeah, it dries down. It's a liquid lip, so it's ideally not supposed to get all over your face. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a waterline black eyeliner. I feel like that kind of just fills everything in and adds to the depth of the eyes. I feel like I'm getting better with doing this. It's hard because, you're basically just poking your eye out. And I need to cover up the glue, so I'm going to go over that with my liquid liner again. Kind of rub them together. It's like a pink-ish glitter that's in there. So yeah, you can see. So pretty. Love that sparkle. I love a good sparkle. With red lips, I mean, it always just looks super classic and lovely, especially with a nice winged eyeliner. I feel like it's a pretty easy look to accomplish overall, but I feel like it's really impactful, especially for different parties and holiday parties and all of that stuff, which will hopefully be coming up in the next couple months. I feel like I like to wear colored lips, but again, I don't know, I usually stick with the usual like gloss or nude or something like that, but I feel like I like the way a bold lip looks from time to time. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. I really appreciate all your guys' support. If you like what you saw today, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you guys again in my next video. Bye!